So a while back, I used this STI SS-2000 series stopper push station in a system test, and I haven't really showed you this push station a whole lot on this YouTube channel, so I thought I'd make a video today showing both of my STI push stations. So both of these are STI stopper stations. They both activate fairly similarly. This one, you just push right here to activate it, just like that. It doesn't take much force at all. And then this one is the same deal. You just push it in and it activates. And then both these models require a key to reset. So this one comes with an STI key right here, and you stick it in the front, turn it, and it resets, and that's it. And then this one, you actually take a special STI key and stick it in the bottom of the button, and then the button resets. And fun fact, some of STI's products comes with this little keychain here, which is kind of cool. So this stopper station actually came with this little STI stopper cover. And what you can do is you can install this over the push station and it will help prevent false alarms. But you can still activate it by just lifting it and then pushing the button. What you can do is you can mount it to a wall with these screw holes right here, and it'll just cover the station, and then when you activate it you can easily lift it up just like this. Some models of these push stations actually come with a little cover built in right on the side, and some of the models also come with an alarm. So when you lift the cover open, it'll sound a little alarm to once again help prevent false alarms from people activating these switches when they're not supposed to. So if you didn't know, STI is most known for their custom products. You can get different shells and different colors of buttons, and you can put any custom labeling you want on these devices, and they don't just have to be an emergency activation device. They can be used for whatever you want. You can make custom labelings through their website. They got all different types of colors, red, green, blue, and you can really make whatever button you want. So in order to switch out the covers, there's this little hex screw right here. It is a 332 size hex key, and what you can do is unscrew that. This one's unscrewed already, and you can just pop the cover off just like that, and you can see there's just a button, and then you can put the new cover on like that, and there it is. Now it's a fire push station instead of just a emergency push station. All of STI's shell covers fit on all their push stations, so you can switch them out with both style of push station. So if you look at the back of this push station, as you can see, it has a pretty long button mechanism on the back. It does come with two different circuits that you can choose from, a normally open and a normally closed, which is really nice. And then this one is actually a different model. As you can see, it has a little bit nicer of a button mechanism on the back just because it's a little smaller. This one right here can barely fit into a back box, whereas this one fits nicely. But this one also has two different options to do a normally open or a normally closed circuit. So when you push the button, it either completes the circuit or it will break the circuit. Both these models here are a little bit older. Some of the newer models have some nice features. For example, the 3-in-1 button, you can change around on some of the newer models. You can change around the button settings so that when you push it in, it's just a momentary push, or you can change it to a twist to reset. So you would push it, and instead of a key, you would just twist the button and it would reset it. Or you could change it to a key to reset. So it's nice to have a 3-in-1 button, but this one is not that model. Some of the newer models also come with a little LED light up top that you can change around the settings on, which would definitely make it really fun. I'd love to get my hands on one of the newer models at some point, but for now I just have both these older models, which is still pretty cool. And that's really it as far as these buttons. They are simple, they're easy to use, and they're just all around a good push station, or stopper station, or pull station, or button, or whatever they're called. About 10 years ago, I actually did have the opportunity to go in and tour Safety Technologies International, and they have a really cool manufacturing plant, and I think I did make a video on that a very long time ago. But anyways, that's my video on both of my STI stopper stations. Thank you for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.